And there it is in its natural habitat. Fibreglass mat stand. It's pretty simple. The reason why I want to build it is to get this mat off my bench and up in the air so I can unroll it easily. I got two of these. These weigh 30 kilos each. It's over 60 pounds. Probably around 68, 70 pounds. So I want this one hovering about 1200 off the ground, over 4 foot. Is 4 foot actually. Then the other one sitting above it, and they'll be on round tube on little hooks with bits on the end so they can't fall off, because that would make a mess. It's going to have wheels. I'm going to be able to, might put a cover over it to keep dust off them. Let's get to building it. Got my recycled materials. I'm going to clean these up. New wheels, but I've had them for a while. And this is an old clothesline, or some of it. I'm going to be using my trusty forklift as a workbench because it's too big to fit on my welding table, and most of it's going to be done on the ground. And I see this as an excellent opportunity to learn TIG. Wish me luck. OM goodness. Did you see that thing fall? That was crazy. So I ended up putting these washers on the ends here. Gal, I know, terrible. I put a little platform down there. I didn't push time, so I just came back from lunch and put that on there and thought, oh, I wasn't filming that, doesn't matter, it's just a little, you know. But look at that, sweet. Get rid of that. So now I can pull glass off. I've got the lighter stuff on the top. I don't use this as much as this stuff. This is the 450 and this is the 225. So it's got the washers and my TIG welds. They are not pretty. I'm learning. Got some porosity in that one. I cleaned all this stuff, and then, you know, some of it has got all this white gunk on it and some of it doesn't. They're definitely welded. They're a bit undercut, so maybe too much heat. Not entirely sure, still learning. And TIG welding overhead is not fun. And standing on a bucket, a wobbly bucket, while trying to TIG weld is also not fun. But it turned out pretty good. Got rid of some scrap, and I have a handy glass mat holder. There it is, next to the fiberglass cutting table, a sewing table, general purpose workbench. I got my scissors up there, sort of organized on here. That's my core flute, and that box down there is my offcuts, fiberglass offcuts. I got random stuff. I'm still sorting stuff out, but there it is in place. Excellent. So I can just pull some glass off, cut it. Easy days, easy peasy. Might put the brakes on. There we go. Job done. It's much better. Yeah. So I've got this one up the top because it's lighter, as I said. This one's heavier, and I use this more. This is the thicker stuff. So one layer of this, 2 layers of that usually. Unless it's a boot lid or a dash, then it's mostly all the light stuff, because they only have to be thin. There's no structure or load on them. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Might inspire you to build something to help yourself out, whether it be for fiberglass or anything on a roll, or you just want to make a stand for something. And I recommend trying TIG at least once. It's an experience. It's not easy. The pros make it look easy. I could have easily just MIG'd that and be done in half the time, but I want to learn TIG. So yeah, I got to clean up my metal a bit more before I do that. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.